Fish roll is a savory pastry that wraps flaky seasoned fish in a golden crispy crust. This delectable snack is not just food, it's a celebration of rich culinary traditions and the vibrant taste of fresh ingredients. Each bite offers a satisfying crunch that gives way to a mouth-watering feeling, expertly seasoned with aromatic spices and herbs. Welcome to my channel. My name is Roslyn and this is Daily Kitchen Makings. Join me in discovering how to create this irresistible delight that brings a taste of Nigeria to your kitchen. Before we dive in, I want to let you know that all the measurements for the ingredients will be listed in the description box below. For the dough, we'll be using all-purpose flour, baking powder, sugar, salt, butter, egg, and water. For the fish filling, we'll be using mackerel. You can decide to use any fish of your choice. We'll also be using onion, scotch bonnet pepper, garlic powder, ginger powder, curry powder, thyme, crushed seasoning cubes, and vegetable oil. First of all, after cleaning the fish, season and steam for about 10 to 15 minutes until cooked. Here are some useful tips for making fish rolls. 1. Use fresh, high-quality fish for the filling. Fresh fish has a better flavor and texture compared to frozen or previously cooked options. Next, remove the bones from the fish and flake into small pieces. Make sure to season the fish filling well with spices, herbs, and aromatics. Next, prepare the filling, and in order to do this, heat up some vegetable oil in a pan. Add the onion, the scotch bonnet pepper, the thyme, curry powder, add the garlic powder and the ginger powder. Add the crushed seasoning cubes and then saute until fragrant. Then add the flaked fish. Stir well and cook for about 5 minutes and then set aside to cool. Feel free to experiment with fillings. You can mix in vegetables like carrots, bell peppers, or potatoes for extra flavor and nutrition. Hey food lovers! If you're enjoying this delicious journey into the world of fish rolls, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thank you! Next, prepare the dough. And in order to do this, first of all, mix the dry ingredients. In a bowl, combine the flour, baking powder, sugar, and salt. Add the butter and rub into the flour until it forms a crumbly texture. Fish rolls are inspired by various cultures around the world. Many countries have their own versions, such as the British fish pie or the Asian fish spring rolls, showcasing the universal love of fish in a crispy pastry. Next, add the egg. Gradually add water and mix until a smooth dough forms. In Nigeria, fish rolls are a popular street food snack, often enjoyed on the go. They are frequently sold at food stalls and markets, making them a convenient and tasty treat. Knead lightly for about 2 to 3 minutes until the dough is soft and not sticky. If it's too sticky, add a little more flour. Next, divide the dough into small portions. The concept of wrapping fillings in pastry dates back centuries and can be found in many cultures. Fish rolls are just one delicious example of this age-old cooking technique. Next, roll out each portion of dough on a lightly flat surface. Roll it out into a rectangular shape. Place about a tablespoon of the fish filling at one end of the rolled out dough and then roll the dough tightly over the filling, sealing the edges with a little water to prevent it from opening while frying. While traditional fish rolls often feature seasoned fish, they can be filled with a variety of ingredients, including vegetables, cheeses, or even fruits, allowing for endless creativity in the kitchen. If it is possible, chill the filled rolls in the refrigerator for about 15 to 30 minutes before frying. This helps them hold their shape and reduces the risk of bursting. Next, heat up some vegetable oil in a pan over medium heat. Carefully add a few fish rolls to the hot oil, making sure not to overcrowd the pan. Frying in batches allows the rolls to cook evenly and prevent them from sticking together. Fry the fish rolls until they turn golden brown and crispy. Once the fish rolls are cooked, use a slotted spoon to remove them from the oil and transfer them to a plate lined with paper towels. This will help absorb any excess oil and keep the rolls crispy. Fish is an excellent source of lean protein and omega-3 fatty acids, which are beneficial for heart health. Including fish in your diet can contribute to overall wellness. Fish rolls are often paired with dipping sauces like spicy pepper sauce, tartar sauce, or even sweet chili sauce, enhancing their flavor and providing a fun taste experience. And there you have it. Thank you so much for joining me on this flavorful journey of making irresistible fish rolls. I hope you're inspired to try this recipe in your own kitchen and share this delightful bite with your loved ones. Remember, every roll is a little piece of joy that brings people together. What's your favorite filling for snacks like fish rolls? Please let me know in the comments below. I can't wait to hear your delicious ideas. If you enjoyed watching this video, please remember to like, and if you're hearing my voice for the first time, hit the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell so that you will know whenever I post new content. Until next time, happy snacking!